All right, y'all. I got a new bag from the Coach Factory or Coach Outlet or whatever, however you want to call it. And I decided that I would do a unboxing with you guys. This is not about to be a formal video. Honestly, to be truthful with y'all, like doing those formal videos, I don't even think we really into those anymore. I think TikTok and Reel kind of like is kind of killing the whole let's sit down and do a whole formal video. So this is about to be short and sweet. I'm gonna show you this bag and that's going to be it. So let's get into this video. All right, so first, please, like I said, this is not about to be a formal video. I just got in from work. I plugged turned the light on and, you know, got everything set up so I can do this. I got this bag from the Coach Factory. I needed a like black leather everyday bag. I was trying to get away from hobo bags, but then I finally was like, you know what? I like hobo bags. So that's what I have. They just recently had a sale on a Coach, I think it's the Coach Factory website or the Coach Outlet, I don't know. But they just recently had a sale and you got like an extra 20% off. So I went ahead and grabbed me a bag. I was looking at other websites because I was trying to like diversify, but I ain't see nothing that I liked. So I just went to what I know. So I don't know why they sent me this big old box, but they did. So, and it shipped really fast. Oh, it's heavy. It shipped really fast. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. I'm already looking and I think I like mommy likes. So let me give y'all the details of it. This is is this the right name? The Leather Pennie SHB in black. I know it is a hobo bag. I guess it is the Pennie. So it was, I paid $162 altogether for it. So we have this, all this packaging. Then we have this. It's like a pebble leather. So that's cool. And then we have all of, they really wrap this. So yeah, Leather Pennie is what they're saying it's called. So we have and I wanted a nice size bag because I do like to carry my book in my purse when I'm on the train for work. And I wanted this bag would be basically to wear to work like in the winter months and like an everyday bag, but for the most part for work in the winter months because I didn't want to carry my tote bag, which is kind of big, with a big coat when we get into those real cold months. So, but I also didn't want to sacrifice not being able to carry my stuff. At first I thought I wanted a crossbody bag, but honestly, a crossbody bag is kind of small depending on the size that you get. And so I think that this is a good size. So we have, this is the front, or I get, yeah, so we have this, like I said, it's the soft pebble leather. We have the Coach in the front. On the back, we have a back zip, which I absolutely love, especially if you're someone like me who commutes to work. Put your train pass or your work pass or whatever like that. We have these two pockets on the side. I don't know what I would probably put in there. I definitely wouldn't put like a phone or anything, but just, you know, throw something in there. Maybe your hand sanitizer. If you don't want it in your purse, you put your hand sanitizer. Have that on the side. Maybe extra mask if you're still wearing a mask. And then we have this gold hardware all around it. So we have some gold hardware, which is cool. And it has a short strap that fits like that. This is why I like hobo bags, because of like this. I don't like bags with like super long straps, so this is great for that, you know, because your girl can bump, 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 be out the door, be gone. Do it adjust? It don't. That's kind of, I wish it did, but I'm okay with that. And then it also has a longer strap if you wanted to do, like, if you're somebody that likes a long strap. That's not really my vibe. I don't like all that space. Or if you want to do a crossbody situation, you have that as well. And this strap does adjust. Now let's get into the inside. They stuffed it like a dang on fool. Why they stuff this bag like this, I do not know. So nice and roomy. It's like a brown maroon on the inside. So nice and roomy, which I like. You could throw your stuff in there, and it has a inside pocket as well. Make sure y'all take these things out when you get your purses. But it has an inside pocket as well. So yeah, is that like a shared pocket? No, two separate pockets. Great. So I like it. Like I said, this is a very functional bag, something that I can carry every day, especially when it starts to get cold. During those winter months, it is kind of stylish. Like it's a black bag, and I needed a black leather bag, and I like that it's a hobo. I probably would carry it like this. Will probably make this strap a little shorter. I don't know, or I might keep it like that. Not really sure, but I do like this bag. So this is, again, the Coach Pennie bag, and this is a pebble leather with black hardware, and it is at the Coach factory outlet. So I approve and I like. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think of this bag. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.